Hello and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Clinical trials are the backbone of medical innovation. But behind every successful trial stands a highly skilled clinical project manager, the driving force ensuring timelines are met, quality is maintained, and budgets are respected. In the world of clinical research, project management isn't just a support function. It's a vital piece of the puzzle that determines whether or not a trial runs smoothly.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
At its core, good project management is about balancing three key elements: time, quality, and budget. The tricky part is, you can't optimize all three at the same time. You can't have a study that's fast, cheap, and perfect. Something always has to give. And that's where experienced project managers come in. They know how to prioritize what matters most based on the specific needs of the study, while ensuring patient safety and data integrity. So, what exactly does a clinical project manager, or CPM, do? Their job stretches from the very beginning of a trial all the way to its final stages. It starts with careful planning. This means defining the project scope, timelines, budget, and critical milestones. A project manager creates detailed study plans and risk assessments, making sure that nothing is left to chance. Once a study is underway, team coordination becomes the focus. CPMs lead cross-functional teams, including clinical research associates, data managers, regulatory affairs specialists, statisticians, and vendors like central labs or EPRO providers. It's not about doing everyone else's job, but about making sure all roles come together seamlessly. One of the most vital responsibilities is communication. The CPM is the central point of contact between the operational teams and the sponsor. Rather than flooding the sponsor with every update and issue, they filter what's truly important and present it in a clear and actionable way. This helps sponsors stay informed without being overwhelmed. During the trial, the project manager monitors everything: recruitment numbers, site performance, regulatory compliance, budget fluctuations, and more. They proactively identify and address problems before they escalate. And when the study wraps up, they ensure deliverables are complete, documentation is archived, and lessons learned are carried forward to future projects. What makes someone successful in clinical project management? Two of the most critical skills are leadership and communication. A good project manager isn't just someone who delegates tasks. They lead with confidence, build strong teams, and create a culture of trust. And they communicate clearly. That doesn't just mean being good in meetings or writing emails. It means knowing how to cut through the noise, summarize complex issues, and direct conversations towards solutions. But that's not all. Strategic thinking is essential. CPMs need to keep one eye on the day-to-day and the other on the bigger picture. They need to think ahead, plan for potential risks, anticipate resource needs, and understand how one decision today could affect outcomes 3 months down the line. They also need strong problem-solving abilities. Whether it's a delay at a site, a budget overrun, or a miscommunication between teams, CPMs must respond quickly and constructively. Flexibility is key as well, because every project is different. Cultural differences, changing regulations, evolving technologies, project managers must be ready to adapt and adjust as needed. Financial acumen is another must. Clinical trials are expensive, and the CPM is often the one making sure the study stays within budget, not just for project management tasks, but across all departments involved. A good CPM tracks spending, flags issues early, and always plans for the unexpected. There are several recurring challenges that clinical project managers deal with. One major hurdle is patient recruitment. It's still the #1 reason why clinical trials get delayed. A strong project manager monitors recruitment closely and supports sites with strategies to stay on target, or comes up with a plan B if things aren't going well. Then there's regulatory complexity. Different countries have different rules, and those rules keep changing. The CPM needs to stay informed and compliant at all times. Delays here can mean big consequences for the timeline and budget. There's also the challenge of working across different cultures and time zones. Clinical trials are often global. That means managing different communication styles, work habits, and expectations. It adds complexity, but it also offers opportunities for learning and collaboration. Another challenge is micromanagement, especially when trust is lacking. If a sponsor or stakeholder is constantly checking on every detail, progress slows. That's why communication and transparency are so important. They build trust and keep everyone aligned. So what does good project management actually look like in a clinical trial? It looks like a study that's running efficiently and staying on track. It looks like stakeholders working together with clarity and confidence. It looks like problems being addressed early, not when it's too late. And it looks like sponsors who feel informed and supported, not overwhelmed. When project management is strong, data quality improves, patient safety is prioritized, and unnecessary costs are avoided. Good project management doesn't just keep things moving, it improves the overall quality and outcome of the study. But not everyone is suited to be a clinical project manager, and that's okay. If you enjoy leading teams, making decisions, and solving complex problems under pressure, this could be the right path for you. If you're a strong communicator who can keep calm when things get tough, that's another big plus. But if you struggle to delegate, or if you tend to micromanage every detail, this role may not be the best fit. Clinical project managers need to trust their team and focus on the big picture. Likewise, if you avoid making decisions out of fear of mistakes, this role might be too demanding. Clinical trials move fast, and delays caused by indecision can be costly. It's also important to mention that simply having years of experience in a related role, like a CRA, doesn't automatically qualify someone to be a CPM. The skill sets are different. You need to think globally, not just execute tasks. At the end of the day, clinical project management is both a science and an art. It's about juggling resources, people, and timelines, all while staying focused on the goal, bringing safe, effective, and accessible treatments to patients. In a world where healthcare innovation moves fast and budgets are tight, good project management is no longer a nice-to-have, it's essential. Whether you're new to the field or looking to improve your organization's trial performance, investing in experienced, skilled project managers can make all the difference. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research.